Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shilpi Sahana from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Engineering, Management and Research, Akurdi. My last week video was on use of heterogeneous catalyst in synthesis. Here the details of last week videos are given. The industrial standards that are applicable for chemical industries are listed here. They are ISO 9001 2015. It is for quality management system, the basic standard for all types of industries to make their process in line with the international system requirements. Second is ISO 14001 2015 is for environmental management system. This certification help in preventing pollution from the particular industry. It helps to establish a management system which help to create such a system to create a minimize a minimum impact on the environment. Then the next one is ISO 45001 2018. This standard focus towards the development of a safe and secure environment for the occupant. It helps to make sure of the legal and statutory requirement related to the health and safety of all the people in workplace. ISO 27001 2013. It is for information security management for production of confidential data of the company which can be given by the customer, internally developed supplier and by any other source. Now the question is why ISO standards are needed. Generally, everyone believes that chemical industries will spoil the environment as well as health hazards will take place. Nearby rivers will get affected by their byproducts. People living in the area of these companies will be the major one of to get infectious disease. Now, the best way to resolve this problem so that local survivor will not be affected is that company have to follow some guidelines so that their process and local survivor could not be affected. And to overcome this problem, International Organization for Standardization has come up with some guidelines. These guidelines are helpful for gaining the belief of customers for engaging them with their product. Now, in industries, we must comply with health and safety and environmental requirement while ensuring the quality, efficiency, and effective process. And ISO standard are there to support chemical manufacturer and supplier. The benefits of ISO certifications are listed here. First one is all your process are evaluated, standardized and explained to personnel. Second, training new employees is much easier. Third, problems are detected more quickly and solutions are improved. Fourth one is improved customer satisfaction. Next is better understanding of customer need, then better perception of your company, then suppliers become more like partners, overall communication is also improved, then the next is better knowledge of your company by employees, improved participation of employee, safe and secure environment for working, and environmental friendly process are developed and implemented. Thank you.